Today's story is not just an update, it's an epic chapter of Turkish drama history. Because this time, the battlefield is set. On one side stand Sultan Orhan and Kurulus Osman. And on the other, the mighty Mehmed Fatih and Sultani series. Viewers, for years we were waiting, hoping, searching for a true historical competition. And finally it has arrived. Remember the earlier days? 2 seasons of Sultan Fatih passed, but they could not clash with Kurulus Osman. Why? Because Osman Bey's story was drifting from real history, and actors were trapped in weak scenarios. But wait. Do you remember when Kurulus Osman Season 2 faced the powerful rival Wiyanis, Bayuk Selçuklu? Or in Season 3, when Alp Arslan gave us a thrilling fight? Yes, that was competition. But then, Salahuddin Ayyubi series could not keep up. And now, everything has changed. Because Sultan Fatih has entered the arena. And viewers finally understood what it means to watch a true historical series. The surprise? Just yesterday, the script reading rehearsal took place. And when the pictures came out, everyone's heart skipped a beat. Why? Because the face we waited for in Kurulus Osman for 2 long seasons, Michael Kosses, appeared here. Yes, Serhat Kilik himself. The producers of Mehmed Fatih signed him, and in the rehearsal, his excitement was shining through every page of his script. Tell me, viewers, isn't it clear? He will not be given an ordinary role. Most likely, he will be the ruler of Trebizond, face to face against Sultan Fatih. And listen carefully, after leaving Kurulus Osman, every series Serhat Kilik worked and flopped. But this time destiny has brought him back to the role that suits his personality. This is his chance to rise again, to become unforgettable once more. And not just him. New powerful names are joining the cast. Gökhan Kakak, whom we saw in Darilis, Ertugrul and in Salahuddin Ayyubi. Who remembers his famous dialogue? Canım Kurban. Hakan Jursek. Murat Onuk. Fatih Yilmaz, a man who has appeared in almost every historical drama since Darilis, Ertugrul. But wait. I was waiting for 2 special names. One has arrived, Fatih Yilmaz. But the other, still missing. Who is he? Yes, you guessed it. Nurettin Sönmez, our beloved Bamsi Beyrek. Viewers, doesn't it surprise you? The producers have cast so many actors from Ertugrul and Osman. But where is Bamsi? We want him back, in a role that shakes the screen. So here is my humble request to you all. If you want to see Nurettin Sönmez, Bamsi Beyrek, in Mehmed Fatih, then flood the official pages with comments. Tell them, we want Bamsi Beyrek back. Even write on his own account. So he feels the love of his fans. Because after his drama Sipahi failed, he has stayed silent. And now is the moment to bring him back where he belongs, in history. And let us not forget another legend. Barış Batçı. The man whose talent deserves a fiery storyline. Fans demand, give him a script that will burn with passion and glory. And what a cast this is. Legends who made history in Turkish dramas are back. Güliz, Noyan, Mehmet. This shows how seriously the producers care about quality. But wait, some faces are still hidden. Cengiz Pasha didn't appear yet. Maybe later. 2 young boys were seen. One could be Prince Bayezid, the other Prince Mustafa. Because 10 years have passed, and Bayezid is now 16 or 17. Among women, we saw only Gülse Hatun. Bahar Hatun has left. Now all eyes wait for Sisik Hatun to enter, and when she does, the harem story will explode with excitement. And finally, Mahmud Pasha. Actor Gürkan Aygun shocked fans with a new look, not just a mustache, but a full white beard. This time, he will not be the silent politician we knew. This time he will be bold, clever, a grand vizier who is shrewd but never foolish. Viewers, believe me when I say, you are lucky to witness this series. Because here, there is no fear of weak stories, no fear of twisted history, and no cheap storytelling. This is a masterpiece. A great historical series with a cast so powerful that every scene leaves you speechless. Those who are making this series are giving free lessons to the whole industry. This is how true historical dramas are made.